Green tea for hair growth. While green tea is best known for its anti-aging and weight loss properties, it is also beneficial for hair. It encourages hair growth by stimulating blood flow to the hair follicles, because it contains caffeine. How to use green tea for hair growth. 1. Hair rinse. Take 3 green tea bags, and steep them in hot water for 15 minutes, then let it cool down. Pour into a measuring cup, and use as the final hair rinse on your hair, in the shower. 2. Hair mask. Take a mixing bowl, and add in it 1/4 cup of matcha green tea, followed by 7 drops of rosemary essential oil. Now, add enough green tea to make a smooth paste, but don't overdo it. Apply it to your scalp and locks, then tie up your hair, and put on a shower cup. Rinse thoroughly after 15 minutes, then shampoo with a natural, sulfate-free shampoo. 3. Scalp massage. Take a small bowl, and add in it 2 tablespoons of pure aloe vera gel, 1 tablespoon of cooled green tea, and 5 drops of peppermint oil. Mix the ingredients with a spoon, and gently rub the mixture onto your clean scalp, to cover it fully. Rinse off after 15 minutes. Use this scalp massage right after shampooing your hair, and before conditioning. The benefits of green tea for hair. We already mentioned that it can stimulate hair growth by increasing the blood circulation in the scalp. It can also cleanse the scalp when used on its own, or mixed with liquid Castile soap. Green tea contains panthenol and a unique amino acid called theanine. These substances make the hair shaft stronger and prevent hair breakage. Got oily scalp? Green tea is a natural astringent, so it reduces the scalp sebum production to the normal rate. Dandruff can lead to thinning hair and the subsequent hair loss. The said astringent properties of green tea provide a scalp toning effect and eliminate dandruff. All these properties and benefits of green tea combined make your hair healthier and let it grow stronger.